Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Windows Defender updates and reset security settings, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Windows Defender updates, first, open the Start menu. Type Windows Security in the search bar and select the app. Once the Windows Security app opens, navigate to Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down to the Virus and Threat Protection update, click on Check for Updates. This will search for the latest updates. If an update is available, you can select Uninstall next to the update you wish to remove. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the uninstallation. To reset security settings, return to the main page of the Windows Security app. Select Manage Settings under the Virus and Threat Protection Settings section. This will show you various security options. Scroll through the list and switch off any settings that are currently enabled. Next, go back to the main Windows Security page. Click on Firewall and Network Protection. Select the active network profile, which may be labeled as domain, private, or public. From here, you can toggle the firewall setting off. Go back to the Firewall and Network Protection section and click on Restore Firewall to Default. Confirm the restoration to reset the firewall settings. Now, go back to the main page of the Windows Security app. Select App and Browser Control. Ensure all settings are set to their default positions for maximum protection. Finally, exit the Windows Security app. Your uninstall process and security settings reset are now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Make sure you are using. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.